What is going on, people from the tube? Welcome back to another Pancho Things. And here we are. We are heading to Logan's house. That's right. We've been skunking the last 3 or 4 hunts.
At the next light, turn left.
Which has been more of a scouting, hunting combo type of thing. But well, we got skunked on those hunts on teal hunting. So Logan invited me to sit and film a deer hunt with him. That's something that I'm really interested in. I would like to learn as much as I can. So love deer meat. Would love to harvest a deer in the future, but I had to learn the ins and outs and the ropes. I've read a lot, but it's not the same. I'm gonna go and sit down with Logan. My first time sitting on a deer blind. And if we're lucky enough, we will be able to capture on camera Logan harvesting his deer, and logically the amount of questions that I'm going to ask him just to get information and knowledge. So there you have it. As far as my vehicle got totaled, drivable, but totaled due to a crazy storm that brought hell with it, size of a softball. And yeah, my car got totaled, so has no value. I still have to do the rest of the arrangement with the insurance, which is kind of a pickle in itself. But yep, the storm destroyed the windshield, put hundreds upon hundreds of crazy dents on the car, and it will be too expensive for the insurance to actually replace all the panels, the metal panels on the vehicle. So they're going to pay me out and give me probably a salvage title for the vehicle, and that's it. If that's the case, this car no longer holds a value at all. So, but the interest rates right now are crazy, so jumping into a new vehicle at this point is almost a crazy idea. So we're almost at Logan's house. I will pick it up from there and see what happens. I'm really excited. He's really excited because he has never had somebody film his hunt. So I got the big camera, I got the tripod, I got the GoPro. So we're gonna film this whole thing and see what happens. Hopefully a deer pops up. He has a couple of things that I have seen on camera, and hopefully this pops up and we can film this whole situation. Alright, so we are here and Logan is leaving his little puppy in his room, and we're about to head out to the blind. It's like, sometimes like when it comes to deer, I'm always worried because I'm way too freaking clean. I shower twice a day, so I don't need to be spooking the deer with my scent. Hopefully we don't do that. Oh, there's Logan. Hopefully Logan get one of those guys so I can destroy his brain with questions. So I'm gonna be asking you tons of questions today because it's a lot of information that I do not know, but it's extremely valuable. So well, we're gonna get this in the road really quickly here. We're gonna be doing a walk, not driving. I'm packing live for the first time in years. It's just the camera gear, that's it. So here we go. On the way here, dude, like there's deer everywhere.
Where at?
Dude, all this block is covered.
Did you see a bunch of deer on this block?
Oh yeah, at least 20.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah. Mostly does.
Yeah. Underneath, we're gonna walk real slow under this tree.
Yeah.
To get over there, follow my foot.
I'll follow you.
Yeah, and then walk slow. If you feel a stick, don't step on that stick.
Okay.
once you get in, if you can pull that door shut. After we pull that door shut, we can turn on the light. There we go. So, welcome to the $75 deer blind.
There we go. Hey, if it does the job, it does the job.
Look at this right here. It's a Texas horn. It's a fence lizard.
Oh, nice.
It's not a horny toad, but it's a. They look a little similar. But yeah, he's just sleeping up there.
You have shooting light for deer, or you can just, if you see it, you can shoot, depending on whatever time. You don't matter.
Oh, for deer you can. So you can't. It's 30 minutes before sunrise.
Just like duck, kind of.
Yeah, but you can also continue 30 minutes after sunset.
Oh, that's cool.
So
Even with rifle?
Hmm?
Even with rifle? That
the
applies to
same thing
rifle?
with the rifle, but right now until the first weekend of November, we can only use archery.
And then in November, rifle kicks
And
in.
then after November, you can use any legal means and methods.
So it turns out that I asked Logan, hey, when did deer season open? And he's like, he opens today. So we're literally sitting here for the deer open. I don't know. In California, I only knew 2 openers. Dove opener, dog opener. That was it. Here in Texas, you got like 30 openers. It's like a miracle.
I think it's opening of archery turkey as well, if I'm not mistaken. I'll have to go back and look.
Taking a turkey by archery.
By bow.
Deer. That's so crazy.
What?
That is so gnarly.
Yeah, there's people that do it. So they have special turkey hunting broadheads. Better, I can get it up. Big one.
Jesus. So these opens. So these little 2 wings opens up when he hits the target. That's crazy.
Yeah. This one will leave a diamond shape cut.
It's like a diamond.
So it leaves a pretty. So with deer, when you're with archery hunting, you're not getting that collateral, that combustion damage that a bullet would give. You've got to slice, and you got to cut an artery, things like that in the process. And if you make a right shot, it shouldn't. He's gonna run. Almost every single time. Unless you hit a spinal cord or something, it'll run. But with a good shot, it should be downed in 30 seconds.
Bleed out.
Huh?
Bleeding out.
To bleed out. If you the shot, it can be 2 hours. So you got to be really careful.
And in those 2 hours, he can keep running. Or not all.
Normally what they'll actually do is, if I shoot deer in the gut, so if I take a really, really bad shot, it can take 8 hours. So you gotta make sure, that's like if I hit far back, real far back, and hit gut, nothing but gut. And what he'll do is he'll go 200 yards. He'll run for maybe 100 of it, walk for a little more, and then he'll lay down. And he'll stay there because he doesn't feel good. So he's not going to want to be moving around.
So he just lay
So if you know you have a bad shot, so even after I make the shot, we're gonna wait just to make sure. Because if he went and he laid down over here, and for some reason he's alive, we don't want to bump him up to run further. So
You just wait.
Huh?
You just wait.
Yeah, so if you don't have any corn,
No, I see nothing.
your chances of seeing a deer are very in a hunting scenario, very slim, unless you are just this absolute great god of a hunter. You know. But for like an open view, I like to sit and just watch them a little bit. And you see where just very slow. Stay. Don't move. He wanted it. Oh, yeah. God, he's got a beautiful rack. He's big, I told you he's big. He's big. Oh, look at that thing, dude. He's a nice one. But they get even bigger out here. I will eat him, I don't care. They all eat the same. So we got 2 dogs circle around and jump the fence. And then a buck showed up, but he was interested on the dog. He didn't get too much closer. So we kind of got stuck. But this is the first sitting, so now it's morning, so now we can see the guy. This is interesting, guys. Like, this is really interesting. Like, those things were so close. You can move, you can fart, you can do anything. You just gotta stay there. I think the next time what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna figure out a different setup for the big camera where I don't have to take that much space with the tripod. So we can just sit there and just let things roll. But it's funny because there were things that I couldn't see out of my angle, and there were things that he couldn't see out of his angle. But he was worried about the dogs in front of us, and I was just looking at the buck in the back and not being able to talk because the deer were so close that if we would have been talking like this, we would have just scared the living bejesus out of them. I guess that I need to buy a boat and a crossbow. Jesus. Logan, you're becoming expensive, buddy. I've already been expensive for myself. Yeah, now you gotta spread the love, huh? It's making my life expensive. I'm so glad I don't have an available credit card right now, because I literally will drive and buy a crossbow right now. I'm not gonna bathe no more.
Huh?
I'm not gonna bathe anymore, so I can smell like a deer vagina. And the first thing that I saw moving, I saw some stuff moving. It was really early, and I thought that my mind was playing tricks, because if you see those T-posts, the T-posts have a wide tip. So at one point I was looking towards this corner right here, and I saw one of the T-posts, like with the white part of the T-post, start moving up and down, and I'm like, am I losing my mind? It was his horse. It was his horse moving. I didn't even know he had a horse. So I'm glad I don't have a crossbow. Thank you so very much, Logan, for the invitation. There's gonna be more of this. I think that Logan and I became really good buddies, and we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff. So, but let's stay tuned to the part number 2, or possibly part number 2 will be Logan be like, hey, I saw him, got him. Or part number 2 is gonna be all sitting again and see if we can get this bug to come closer. Even though that I got a second plan, I think it might work.
Yeah.
I think it might work. I think that if all we need is Q-tips, right?
Huh?
All we need is Q-tips, right? Thank you so very much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell so you can be notified every time that we upload a new video, either hunting or fishing or cooking some of the delicious deer that Logan is gonna harvest. Thank you so very much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell, and I will see you guys soon. There's a lot of crazy information coming your way, so bear with me, because you guys are gonna have probably like 5 different videos back to back from information on what's happening with the t-shirts and the websites and everything. So just bear with me, we're almost there. Business
is not something to take lightly. And when you put your own money into something that is an idea and that you want to grow, you gotta roll with the punches, but more importantly, you gotta make good decisions so you don't financially struggle later. So that's where we are. We're closer than ever, but still work to do. So thank you so very much. See you guys later. Pancho out.